Sunita Williams, the woman who reached the stars. Have you ever experienced failure and questioned whether you would ever find success? Have you ever felt like giving up on your dreams? If so, you are not alone. This is the story of Sunita Williams, the astronaut who defied expectations, overcame countless challenges, and soared beyond the stars. As you read her story, pay close attention to new words and phrases. This journey is not just about learning English. It's about discovering the power of resilience, determination, and self-belief. So, grab a pen, stay focused, and join us on this thrilling adventure to enhance your listening skills, develop your vocabulary, and be inspired by a remarkable woman who literally aimed for the stars. A dream is born. Sunita Williams was born in 1965 in Ohio, USA, to parents of Indian and Slovenian descent. Growing up in a multicultural environment ignited her curiosity and adventurous spirit, which led her to thrive in outdoor activities like running and swimming. Despite her vibrant personality and love for exploration, the dream of becoming an astronaut felt far beyond her reach. From a young age, Sunita was captivated by airplanes and the mysteries of space travel. She would gaze up at the night sky, wondering what it was like to float among the stars, but her academic journey was not without its challenges. Although she was passionate about learning, she often struggled in subjects such as science and math. This led to feelings of self-doubt as she frequently questioned her intelligence and potential. Thoughts like, "What if I am not good enough?" echoed in her mind, casting shadows over her aspirations. Nonetheless, Sunita's determination remained unshaken. Her older brother, a pilot, became a source of inspiration for her, encouraging her to explore her fascination with flying. Watching him navigate the skies fueled her imagination and planted the seeds of hope that perhaps she could break through her limitations and pursue a career beyond the clouds. This newfound ambition began to grow alongside her love for space, leading her to believe that with perseverance and dedication, her dreams might one day take flight. Sunita Williams was born in 1965 in Ohio, USA, to Indian Slovenian parents. From a young age, she was full of energy and curiosity, enjoying running, swimming, and outdoor adventures. However, becoming an astronaut seemed like an impossible dream. As a child, Sunita was fascinated by airplanes and space travel. She often wondered what it would be like to float among the stars. Despite her interest, she wasn't the top student in her class. She struggled with some subjects, particularly science and math, and frequently doubted whether she was smart enough to achieve great things. She often thought to herself, "What if I am not good enough?" Despite her self-doubt, Sunita refused to stop dreaming. Her older brother was a pilot, and he inspired her to think about flying. Watching him sparked her interest in aviation, slowly planting the idea that maybe, just maybe, she could go beyond the skies. Struggles and setbacks. Determined to make a meaningful impact in her life and fulfill her ambitions, Sunita set her sights on a career in engineering. She enrolled at the prestigious U.S. Naval Academy, a rigorous institution known for its high standards and demanding curriculum. From the beginning, she approached her studies with an unwavering commitment, dedicating herself to mastering the coursework. However, the journey was fraught with challenges. The academy was notorious for its intensity. Surrounded by exceptionally talented and disciplined classmates, Sunita sometimes felt like an outsider. The pressure to excel was immense, and there were moments when she experienced setbacks, such as failing exams that were pivotal for her progression. Following a particularly disappointing grade on a crucial test, doubt crept into her mind. "Maybe this path isn't right for me," she pondered, grappling with her self-worth and future. Despite these feelings of uncertainty, Sunita chose not to succumb to despair. Instead, she embraced the challenges as opportunities for growth. She began to study late into the night, meticulously reviewing her notes and seeking assistance from peers and instructors when needed. Each misstep became a learning moment, fueling her determination to improve. Her hard work and resilience culminated in her graduation with a degree in physical science, an achievement she had worked tirelessly to attain. Following her graduation, Sunita embarked on a new chapter by joining the U.S. Navy as an aviator. She quickly qualified as a helicopter pilot, a role that required not only technical proficiency, but also the ability to perform under extreme pressure during rescue missions. Each flight presented its own set of challenges, Yet Sunita thrived in these demanding situations, proving her mettle again and again. However, her journey was still lined with trials. As a woman navigating a predominantly male field, she faced unique hurdles that demanded she work twice as hard to gain the respect of her peers. The physical training was rigorous, pushing her limits both mentally and physically. High expectations loomed over her, and she often encountered discrimination that threatened to undermine her confidence. Yet, rather than allowing these obstacles to deter her, Sunita used them as fuel for her determination. Every challenge she faced strengthened her resolve and reinforced her commitment to excel, paving the way for a successful and inspiring career. NASA training, pushing beyond limits. After years of training and service, Sunita applied to NASA's astronaut program. The first time she used it, she was rejected. Maybe I'm not meant for this, she thought. That rejection is never easy, but Sunita does not let it break her. She analyzed her weaknesses, improved her skills, and applied again. This time, she was selected. The training at NASA was unlike anything she had ever experienced. She had to learn to operate spacecraft, train underwater for spacewalks, and prepare her body for the harsh conditions of space. The work was exhausting, and at times she missed important family moments, birthdays, weddings, and holidays. One night, after hours of intense training, Sunita sat alone in her dormitory, staring at the ceiling. She whispered to herself, "Is it all worth it? Can I really make it to space?" But then she remembered her childhood dream and the sacrifices her family had made. "Yes, I have come too far to give up now," she thought, wiping away her doubts. Despite the sacrifices, she pushed forward, knowing that the journey to space was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. She was determined to give it everything she had. The moment of triumph. In December 2006, Sunita Williams achieved a milestone that she had tirelessly worked toward for many years. With a surge of excitement and anticipation, she was launched into space as a flight engineer for the International Space Station, ISS. The experience was nothing short of breathtaking. From her vantage point, she gazed down at Earth, witnessing its stunning beauty, a fragile, vibrant blue planet suspended in the boundless expanse of the universe. During her remarkable 195-day mission, Sunita set a record for the longest spaceflight by a woman at the time. This period was not just about the duration, it was filled with purpose. Sunita conducted a variety of scientific experiments that expanded our understanding of life in space, maintained and enhanced the operational capabilities of the ISS. She even ran a full marathon on a specialized treadmill, all to inspire people back on Earth about the possibilities of space exploration and personal achievement. Every morning, Sunita would float gracefully towards the large windows of the ISS, mesmerized by the view of Earth spiraling beneath her. The vibrant colors of sunrises and sunsets were breathtaking, painting the horizon in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Each dawn brought a renewed sense of hope and wonder, and she often found herself wishing that everyone on Earth could experience this extraordinary sight for themselves. Yet amid the awe, she also felt moments of loneliness. The weightlessness of space contrasted sharply with her longing for solid ground, the laughter of loved ones, and the simple pleasures of a freshly cooked meal. Yet, through these moments of solitude, Sunita reminded herself that she was living her dream, a dream filled with unparalleled adventure and exploration. Throughout her mission, she faced numerous challenges head-on, performing several spacewalks that totaled over 50 hours outside the safety of the spacecraft. Each spacewalk involved making intricate repairs, conducting vital research, and demonstrating the resilience required to thrive in the harsh environment of space. Every obstacle she encountered, whether failures during training, doubts about her capabilities, or rejections from previous attempts, fortified her resolve and prepared her for this incredible journey. In 2012, Sunita returned to space for another mission, continuing to break records and inspire countless individuals around the globe. Her journey not only pushed the boundaries of human exploration, but also served as a beacon of hope and motivation for future generations of explorers, showing what is possible when one dares to dream big and perseveres against all odds. Astronaut life in space transcends the experience of floating in zero gravity and gazing at stunning views of Earth. It is an environment laden with extreme challenges that require immense adaptation and resilience, For Sunita Williams, living aboard the International Space Station, ISS, meant sharing cramped living quarters with her fellow crew members, committing to long, demanding hours of work, and adhering to a rigorously structured schedule. Everyday activities like sleeping, eating, and exercising transformed drastically from her life on Earth. Astronauts like Sunita must adapt to a radically different lifestyle in the confines of space. Their meals come in specially packaged forms, often dehydrated, requiring water to rehydrate them before consumption. Even the simple act of drinking necessitates the use of straws, an innovative solution to prevent liquids from floating away in the absence of gravity. Every meal becomes a meticulous process, reflecting the complexity of life in orbit. Sleeping presents its own unique set of challenges. Without the force of gravity, astronauts sleep in sleeping bags tethered to the walls of the space station, preventing them from drifting aimlessly through their cramped living space. To counteract the muscle atrophy and bone density loss that can occur in microgravity, they engage in a rigorous exercise regimen, dedicating 2 hours each day to activities like cycling and treadmill use, designed to maintain their physical health. Maintaining personal hygiene in space is far from straightforward. Instead of traditional showers, astronauts rely on specialized wipes to cleanse their bodies, while rinse-free shampoo allows them to keep their hair clean without water. Brushing their teeth becomes an unusual practice as well. Astronauts must swallow the toothpaste rather than spitting it out, adjusting to an entirely new approach to dental care. One of the most significant emotional challenges Sunita faced was the extended separation from her family. With limited means of communication, the distance from home created a sense of isolation, and she often longed for the warmth and familiarity of her loved ones. Additionally, the unexpected technical issues that arose during her mission added another layer of stress. On one occasion, a critical system failure led to a dangerous drop in oxygen levels, requiring Sunita to collaborate swiftly with her team to troubleshoot and implement solutions under pressure. During her training at NASA's Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory, Sunita donned her heavy spacesuit and immersed herself in a giant pool, simulating the weightlessness that astronauts encounter in space. As she sank into the water, she felt an exhilarating sense of freedom, floating effortlessly as she would in outer space. The flickering blue lights around her and the gentle ascent of bubbles created an illusion of the cosmos, providing her with a glimpse of what a real spacewalk would entail before her actual journey to the stars. Despite these numerous challenges, every obstacle only fortified Sunita's determination. She discovered that traits such as teamwork, patience, and quick thinking are equally important to technical proficiency when navigating the complexities of life in space. These experiences not only shaped her as an astronaut, but also enriched her understanding of collaboration and resilience in the face of adversity. Sunita's personal life. A strong support system. Behind every successful individual is often a robust support system. And for Sunita, her family has been an unwavering pillar of strength throughout her journey. She is married to Michael J. Williams, a dedicated Navy officer whose steadfast support has been vital to her achievements. Despite the challenges posed by long separations due to her demanding space missions, their bond has only grown stronger, showcasing a relationship built on trust, love, and mutual respect. Sunita's passion for animals is another facet of her personality. During her time in space, she often reflected on the joy her pet dog brought her, expressing a genuine sense of longing for the companionship of her furry friend. To cope with the emotional distance from home, she brought along a small stuffed toy dog on one of her missions, a heartfelt memento that served as a comforting reminder of the warmth and love waiting for her on Earth. In addition to her thriving career in science and exploration, Sunita remains deeply connected to her cultural roots. She has made several trips to India, where she immerses herself in the traditions and values of her father's heritage. These visits not only strengthen her identity, but also allow her to share her journey with her family and the communities that inspired her. As a role model, Sunita is deeply committed to empowering young girls everywhere, encouraging them to dream big and pursue their passions with determination. She often shares her story of perseverance and hard work, emphasizing that with the right mindset and support, they can achieve anything they set their minds to. Sunita continues to inspire the next generation, proving that the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Returning to Earth, a new perspective. After spending several months in the vast expanse of space, Sunita returned to Earth, profoundly transformed by her experiences. From her vantage point, she gazed down at the world, a stunning, tiny blue planet suspended in the darkness of the universe, where every human being was interconnected in ways she had never fully appreciated before. This unique perspective reshaped her understanding of life and humanity's role within the cosmos. Motivated by what she had witnessed, Sunita became a passionate advocate for space exploration, emphasizing the importance of education in inspiring future generations. She frequently spoke to audiences about the delicate beauty of Earth, highlighting how it appeared vulnerable and fragile from her orbital view. Her mission became clear: to spread awareness about environmental conservation and the urgent need to protect our planet for generations to come. In her quest to continue pushing the limits of human exploration, Sunita prepared diligently for NASA's Artemis missions, which aimed to return humans to the moon for the first time in over half a century. Her unwavering determination and commitment to knowledge made her a beacon of inspiration for aspiring astronauts and those who dare to dream beyond the stars. By sharing her story, Sunita not only highlighted the significance of space exploration, but also encouraged everyone to cherish and safeguard the Earth that nurtures us all. Lessons from Sunita's journey. Sunita's story is a powerful reminder that success is not defined by perfection, but by resilience and perseverance. She encountered numerous setbacks and faced significant struggles, yet each time she fell, she summoned the strength to rise again. This unwavering determination ultimately led her to achieve something truly extraordinary. At one point in her journey, Sunita found herself in a place familiar to many of us, surrounded by self-doubt while nurturing a myriad of dreams. Through her experiences, she illustrated that failures are not roadblocks, but essential stepping stones on the path to success. Her story is a testament to the idea that persistence can propel us beyond our wildest aspirations. Think about your own life for a moment. Have you ever faced setbacks that made you question the validity of your dreams? Have you experienced moments when giving up seemed like the easier option? It's crucial to remember that failure is not a definitive endpoint. It is merely a chapter in your journey toward achieving your goals. So, as you navigate through the challenges, keep pushing forward and embrace the lessons that come with each setback. With dedication and tenacity, you might find that the stars are within your reach, waiting for you to claim them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Each video will help you learn English in a fun way, so don't miss out. Watch another one now. If you like this